This will be a brief demo of the IoT device I made for Moon. So the ESP32 is here, then the MCP23017 is this one, and the reflection sensors would be over here, but I used zeros and one from the ESP32 directly because I didn't have enough sensors. This is one CNY70 sensor. Then I have the 7-segment display, the RGB LED, and the RFID sensor. So I will connect the USB. And in the computer I will show the serial monitor. So as you can see, it has been connected to the Wi-Fi, and then the HTTP post game has been made. The game ID return is the 104, and the reflection sensor is working sometimes with zeros and with ones because it is over here, and it depends where I put it. So if I put it here with a 1 facing down, let's say, with the card 0 facing up, then it should read a 0, and otherwise it should read a 1. But as I said, as I put the hand here, it is not very good. So now it is waiting for a card to be read. So I have some cards over here. First I have to read an objective card, for example 1011. So I put it here, and see that there are 3 energies remaining, and this LED changes color. So I have read that card. A new round has been posted to the server with the ID 54, and the current objectives should be somewhere over here. Well, here we can see the board, and then the game time, and then the current objective is over here, real objective 1011. So now I can make some operations. Okay, so I actually had to cut the video because I couldn't solve the objective with the operations I have, because I only have ROR, XOR, and the registers A and B, because I don't have more cards with me. But yeah, so now we are going to scan objective 1010 instead, which is easier. So we have scanned it. Here we can see the board is register B up here is 0100, and register A is 0001. So we are going to do an XOR operation, XOR A, B. So we would have to flip a card in A, right? So the orange cable actually here would go in here. Okay, so that's a little messy, but in the real life it would go with the binary cards such as this one, right? And the reflection sensors, so that would be easy. Okay, so now we do the XOR operation. We get the XOR card, XOR, the light turns blue. Now the first register will be A, so A, and the second register will be B. So the operation goes green because we have done it correctly, and all these operations have made an HTTP post round. We can see somewhere over here, I cannot find it right now, but somewhere over here it says that the operation was done correctly. We can go also in the server. You can see I have made so many games because I had to reset it a lot of times, but this is the last one, from a couple of minutes ago. And the rounds we go, so this one, operation XOR, register 1 was A, so 0, and the second register was 1, so B. the energy left is 2.5. Let's check that. The energy left is 2.5. Yes, that's correct. And it is waiting for another objective to be read. So yeah, so I would now scan the second objective. Whatever, you know, another round would be made here with the operation null. We go down here. You see this last row over here with the state of the board and everything. And if an operation is not made correctly, then the light would light up red. There are also more colors. They are all explained in the thesis. Okay, so one final comment I wanted to make is that when you win the game, this light goes green and off, green off, green off, and then the game starts again and it sends a new HTTP post. And if you lose, it goes red off, red off, red off, and it starts again.